Alright guys, so if you have the dishwasher that is leaking water underneath, mine is not leaking already because I changed it, but what happened was a new disposal was installed a while ago, and then for the new disposal this thing was closed. So when you install a new disposal, make sure this thing is open, because what's happening is the water coming from here goes into here, and then down here it goes through this thing down the drain. So basically this thing was closed right here, and then all the water coming from the dishwasher couldn't enter it, so it found a weak spot and leaked everything on the floor. So mine was already too late and I had to replace the whole thing, but we did make a hole here, so it's all good for the new dishwasher. Hopefully that solved the problem. And let me see if you had the same problem, or maybe there's a pump that's broken, or the loose cable or pipe or whatever. And that's how you fix the leaking dishwasher.